It's back, bigger, better and brighter than ever before. This winter, Lightscape returns to Kings Park, turning the beloved Botanic Garden into a magical after-dark playground for the senses. Hey everyone, Scherri-Lee here in Kings Park, but trust me, you have never seen it like this before. Welcome to Lightscape 2025, where light and nature collide in the most spectacular way. This year's theme is Can't Live Without You, a tribute to the beautiful bond between plants and pollinators. You'll stroll beneath towering flowers, step inside shimmering tunnels, and discover the world through the eyes of a bug. Seriously. With more than 20 breathtaking installations, including works never seen before in Australia, this isn't just a light show, it's an experience you'll never forget.
Well, so as if Kings Park couldn't get any better, it looks absolutely spectacular.
It does at this time of the day. Not many people get to enjoy it at night, of course, but being able to bring Lightscape to the Botanic Garden, having a nearly 2-kilometre trail, I think it really adds something to it, particularly during the colder months.
Well, tell us about the theme pollinators. How does that tie into the botanical gardens, and what do you want people to take away from this experience?
Really ties in because, of course, the West Australian Botanic Garden wholly focuses on West Australian plant species. And many of those species have highly modified flowers and foliage to really attract pollinators. So you can imagine in the middle of the desert how hard it is to get an insect to pollinate. You really want to be something super special. And so those modifications were something that we really wanted to bring so that everyone who comes to Lightscape can really enjoy.
Why is it so important for Kings Park to host this event?
To be able to enjoy this space. We have 5 million visitors a year. They mostly come during the day. The West Australian Botanic Garden is 18 hectares within Kings Park, so it's the largest urban park in the world. And so really bringing the relevance of what we do for conservation for our West Australian plant species to people that wouldn't otherwise visit.
So whether you're bringing the kids, planning a romantic date, or just seeking some winter wonder, this is the event of the season. And yes, the marshmallows are a must. Lightscape runs right here at Kings Park this winter, but only for a limited time. So gather your family, rug up and see WA's most iconic park in a whole new light. This is an experience not to be missed. I'll see you under the stars.